predicted heavy to very heavy rainfall. Getting some big breaking news coming in, viewers. A cloudburst, becoming a cloudburst in Kupwara. One more cloudburst in Kupwara, viewers, is forested areas. And cloudburst triggered a heavy flow of water and flash floods in the area. No loss of life or property has been reported so far. We'll try to get you more updates, but this is a cloudburst which has struck once again Kupwara, and huge amount of water and flash floods have been reported in the area. Authorities are monitoring this situation very, very closely. Now remember that already we have reported many incidents of cloudbursts and landslides, especially in areas such as Kathua district. And now we're learning that a cloudburst was has triggered flash floods in Kupwara. Coming in as there's heavy rainfall which has been reported in that area, viewers. And I have with me Zeenat. Zeenat, yes, we already see a lot of rainfall. We have seen Kathua district being hit. Now we know that there are flash floods in Kupwara. If you could just take our viewers through what the situation is looking like on the ground.
See, this is the Warnock forest belt of Kupwara, North Kashmir, where the cloudburst has been reported. And although there is no damage or the loss of life in this, but area is being monitored closely by the authorities. The flash flood has resulted in Kupwara after the cloudburst in the Warnock forest belt. It's been raining since morning in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, the National Highway has also witnessed landslides and mudslides. The traffic was suspended on the National Highway. Similarly, on the plains, there is a heavy rainfall that is going on. Met has already predicted that this rainfall is going to continue for the 3 days after the Kishtwar district. What happened, and almost more than 64 people have lost their life, and still hundreds are missing. So we are seeing the machinery has been put on alert, as well as the people close to these nalas and streams. They've been asked not to venture out and stay away from the places. In fact, the activities in the Dal Lake have also been suspended by the authorities, keeping in view the weather conditions as far as North Kashmir. In Sopore also, there have been the heavy rains that have been going on in Kupwara. The cloudburst has triggered flash floods in the area, and area is being monitored by the district administration, Kupwara. It is more like a high alert seen at those places which are close to river belts or the streams or naras, for which the authorities are continuously issuing the alerts, and also the helpline numbers have been already announced, have been in circulation for the last 3 days. After the Kishtwar tragedy, everybody is monitoring the situation. Met is on alert. Met is giving the weather predictions after every hour, although there is also monitoring of the river level that is being monitored by the department at present. But yes, the cloudburst has triggered flash floods in Kupwara. This is the Warwan area, the Warwan forest belt, where cloudburst was seen, although there has not been any report of the property damage or the life of loss. But we are seeing the administration is alert as far as the weather in Jammu and Kashmir is concerned.
Zeenat, yeah, thank you for getting those details. Cloudburst in Kupwara, and we are tracking this story very closely as we see that rescue operations are also continuing. Really have to move ahead right now.